much, channel. What's poppin'? Today we are again back here in Final Edition 4, which they have all the cool cars. They have SVJs, they have Reveltos, they have Ferraris, they have Porsche, they have Corvette, they have Bentleys. They have all of these different cars right behind me. Take a look. And this is all of the cars. Not all of them I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you a few of them. But only the cool. Starting with SV Lamborghini. This is the SV Lamborghini 2,300,000 reals right here. All carbon fiber over here. I like that. It even has the Hot Wheel color.
It has the Hot Wheel colors, right?
It has the
The
Hot
color
Wheel.
is very, very nice.
Yeah, it's like the Hot Wheel color.
I think this color are specially produced for this car, for the SV.
Again, this is the Lamborghini SV, really cool, really nice. All the carbon fiber like in the front of the dash right there. The screen is also in the front of the dash. Look at the dash number thingy. Like it's all carbon fiber. The roof of it. Even the spool wheels, it's like a pattern. I don't like that pattern, but especially this one because it's nice. And look, the whole like covered engine there, it's all carbon fiber. Like if you look inside, you can see all the carbon fiber inside with the cold ring.
Oh, the rear diffuser is really nice.
And look, there is 4 fusers, just in one fuser. And plus, the outside of the fuser is all carbon fiber. Yeah, if this was carbon fiber, all of this will be even more better and expensive. And look at this all carbon fiber thing. Like this is actually nice. You know what I just realized? See this? The wing goes through here to here. Goes all the way right here.
But it's not connected.
I think it's connected for me.
No, look.
Oh yeah, it's not connected. But it's like it's connected.
But the wing is very nice.
Yeah.
Which wing do you like best? This wing or the one on the SVJ?
This one. I'm going next to the Porsche Turbo. This is like, is it the Porsche 911? All I know about this is the expensive Porsche Turbo. The Porsche Turbo 911. No, not 911.
This is the
Spider.
it is 911. It's the 992 Cabriolet, and it's the
911
turbo, and it's very, very fast.
And it's also a Spider. And also like the price is 1 million. Come check it out. 1,200,000. And the car like behind us is like even cheaper. Like going like onto the back or maybe here. Because like look at this. It has their own Porsche cup. No, it's not the Porsche cup. Like that's their own like sponsor. No, not sponsor.
No, they made it in Porsche. It's really nice,
they
huh?
made it in Porsche. That's the place where you put a drink. And the box is pretty tall and skinny. Yeah. The back has like no space for a kid right now.
You can fit in the back.
Barely. I'm 8, look at me. Even like the number thingy is like yellow.
And the seatbelt are yellow.
The headlights are all carbon fiber.
This is the side mirror, Baba.
Side mirror. Look at the little camera. Camera's perfect. But look at the brakes. No. And wheels. It says Porsche in the brakes. That's cool. Why is it dirty? Look. Okay, look at how big. I didn't know that Porsche headlights was this big. And Porsche, the Porsche logo. No, I don't want to talk about the cars.
I don't know. I think the horses are different. Like between this one
And the Ferrari.
and the Ferrari.
Which now we're going in. Baba,
Mm.
this color is actually close to my mom's car's color. Look at, Baba, look
What?
at this. Look, Baba, guys, we were just talking about a Porsche. In front of us, a Porsche store.
Ah, the Porsches.
There's a Porsche store right there. Maybe next time we'll go to that store and take a video. Baba,
Mm.
Italian flags fly.
Yeah, it's so nice. It looks so good. It even goes in the inside.
Look, even inside and in the roof.
It
Look,
goes
Baba.
all the way to the back.
Look at this. Also Italian flag here, inside, roof, back. And like the Ferrari logo fits perfectly on the Italian flag. Look, even here, Italian flag. All the way from the back.
Really, listen, I like the Turbo. I like the SVJs. I like the Mercedes, but I think this is my favorite car here. The SV is very, very
All
nice
of
car.
these cards are all from final edition. Like this car are born in final edition.
But I think this one is basically my favorite. Even look, if you look in the inside, look in the back.
Look at the headlights, guys.
This is the tail light.
The tail lights are just like the
Oh yeah.
look. Like right from this angle, it is like that Mercedes right there. Which now we're going in. And this is the Mercedes AMG
This is the GT.
long tail light. Long. Even like look at the stripe and style, a fat one and a skinny one. Even the logo, perfect circle. GT, of course, another tail light, of course. We have these two boom 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 babies
Exhaust.
in the back.
Oh, the exhaust in the Ferrari is bigger than this one.
Yeah, but more similar than this one. Even in the tail lights, look here, it says AMG. That's a dirty thing right here. Dirty. Baba,
Hmm.
the interior is more empty. Like look at the seat on the other side. It's like it's carbon fiber.
Yeah, the leather design is very,
You
very
know what's
nice.
so bad about this?
What?
Like, what's so bad is the engine is not in the back but in the front. Of course, because the front is so long, so they need the engine. Baba,
Hmm.
the stripe goes from there all the way to here.
Yeah, and it's a very nice color.
I wish I feel like it can go from the middle, like from the middle of the engine, like over here, the middle of the like over here, the middle of the side, and then like middle of the side and bottom engine.
But there is on the side also, look.
No, like the engine side here. Like it starts from here, going to the back. Over
No, I
to
can't see
here,
it.
And the roof. From the front, going under the car again, coming up from here, going here, and here, turning around, go away, and going under again to the other side, coming up from here, And then like,
When you get your own car, you can do your own design.
and then going like this, repeatedly from all the way here. Or maybe just like wrap the whole car like this, but leave this place here. Oh, the brakes are blue.
Mm.
Blue brakes. You know what I just realized?
What?
Well, the brakes in the front are longer, but in the back are smaller. But the
Because when you brake,
tire-
Baba,
But the tire is bigger in that, but in the front it's smaller.
yeah, because you do,
Small, big. No.
okay, because you do acceleration, Baba, from the back,
Yeah.
so you need bigger tires so you can have more traction. But when you do braking, the whole weight of the car shifts to the front of the car, so you need bigger brake in the front to stop the car.
And speaking about that, Lamborghini. So this Lamborghini SVJ is actually so cool. These two things are even cooler. The color of them is nice. Look at the inside. All of this in the inside are so nice. Carbon fiber right there. And if you go in the front and look through there, look what it says over there. Let me know in the comments what it says because I don't know actually. Let me know in the comments. But actually, sorry guys, I forgot to tell you the prices of the car that we talked about. So we talked about the Ferrari, we talked about the Porsche, the Lamborghini. We told the Lamborghini SV already, but we haven't told this. The Porsche is 1 million. No, we tell you this, but just in case. Ferrari is 1 million.
1 million what, Baba?
1,700,000. Good, but we haven't talked about this. We talked about the Mercedes.
What about the other Ferrari?
Huh?
The other Ferrari?
We are going after the SVJ. On the Mercedes price, we haven't told you it, 590,000. Going back to the SVJ. Going to the roof, it's all carbon.
Oh, wait, this is the Roadster? You can actually remove the roof. Yeah, this is the Roadster.
Roadster.
Yeah,
Baba. Look at the,
octagon shape.
yeah, it's like a diamond or octagon. Look, Baba, all of this is all carbon fiber.
Check out the radiator inside.
Oh. Look, Italian flag. Baba,
Mm.
the brakes over here is long.
Yeah, but it's bigger even in the front wheel.
Oh, wow. Of course, over here we have the SVJ. Right here. Going over here.
Oh, wait, this one have access, exhaust. Is this the FI exhaust? I think this is the FI exhaust.
And guys, if you look closer, you can actually see the blue.
The blue one is
thingy.
because it's titanium.
Yeah. And yeah, I'm pretty sure that's all.
This car will be
I
very, very,
want
very loud.
All I want to tell you is like, look, Italian flag here and the wing is all carbon fiber. And what's holding the carbon fiber wings? That's a color green. Let me inspect this. Hot Wheel color.
It's a Hot Wheel color,
Like
huh?
barely Hot Wheel color. You can see the engine from here and there. But
Look, like this is the standard exhaust for the SVJ.
no need to talk about this one.
And this is the custom exhaust. It's an FI exhaust.
Like all we need to talk about this is just the colors and that's all. Because they are both the exact same. What we talk about here is also on here. But maybe the price is different because of the colors. Maybe.
And because this one is the Roadster, this one is Coupe.
So yeah, maybe that. And also maybe because of the This is 2,800,000. This one is 2,950,000. This is more expensive than this one. But I would rather buy this one first and then this one.
Why this one first?
Because more cheaper.
We can see one more different also.
What?
This one has the glass carbon. This one has the dry carbon. See the difference between this one and this one? This is dry. This is glass.
Here's the difference.
Look, this is something really nice. This is one of 800 cars.
Ah, how about this one? One of 0 cars.
No, you can have the same, I think, one of 800 because there is 800. Oh no, this is 900. So 800,
This is why I'm
Oh, wait.
buying this one first.
800 roadsters and 900 coupes. Let's check the SV. How many
Yes,
SVs?
Baba.
I think the SV is more rare. 1 second. No, تعال شوف.
What? No?
600. So this one, the SV is actually more rare than the SVJ.
What? This one's 600.
This one 800. So there is 600 SVs, there is 800 Roadsters SVJ, and there is 900 coupes SVJ. 900 is pretty rare.
What if there's 1 out of 3,000?
3000 still rare, but it's not like massive production.
Going back to the
What about the BMW?
how about the no, actually, Ferrari. Going to the Ferrari. Yuppie, 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 yuppie. Yeah, yuppie, yuppie, yuppie. Baba, guys, this is not for you, it's for my dad. Baba,
Come, Baba.
1,000 steps.
1000 steps. Good boy.
So actually,
You know what difference between this one and this one? Can you tell? Look really close. Like there is something really different between both of them.
yeah, it looks very close and they're not the same.
No, there is a difference between this one and this one.
What is it?
So this is the 812 Superfast Coupe.
And this is the different.
No, this is the 812 Superfast GTS. What is the difference between the GTS and the Coupe? You can see it, Baba. Look, there is a huge difference. Look at the back of this one,
Yeah.
and look at the back of this one.
I see something. Baba.
Can you see the glass? Like, look at the glass
Baba,
at that one.
Baba.
No.
I see something different. The back glass and the taillights.
Yes. Because this one is actually GTS.
And the shiny thing in there. And the final division thingy.
No, because this one actually opens the roof. This one is a Roadster.
Also, look at the door handles.
Yeah. And look, there is something I really like in here, which is there is a bag, like a leather bag, space behind the seat. Look behind the seat.
What? What is behind this? Yeah, I see the space.
There is a leather bag where you can keep your stuff.
Yeah, there is.
But then this one doesn't have.
Yeah, because it's different. You know. Look, I'm sorry. Okay, bye-bye for me. I'm going to the bed, please. Bye.
Look, there's even Italian flag on the pedals.
Huh?
Italian flag on the pedals.
Hello?
Yeah. The shifters, Baba.
That
See the
one.
shifters here behind the wheel.
Yeah. Also look at
Oh
in
yeah,
the middle.
the buttons in the
Yeah.
middle.
Yeah. That's what I was seeing. Going actually to the Bentley. All I have to say is like I like the color. Like the insides all like look at the shiny. The shiny. You know what? Like look in the gear box in the gear there's a B. Stand for Bentley.
Hmm.
I wish we could go inside. Oh,
Hmm.
this is up open. Come. Baba, I
Yeah.
don't know how this thing works.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I have no idea how to open this. V8 Bentley. So this means this Bentley is kind of fast. Look at this also the headlight. Of course, the P are the Bentley. Okay, look, listen guys. Guys, remember when we came to this same store and we went over there and we saw the Teslas and smart cars? Later, we'll actually be going there to find if there's even more Teslas.
We're gonna finish it here. I don't think there is something outside.
No? Oh. Okay. Last thing I want to say about the Bentley, I like the brakes and I like the wheels. Going to the back, beep, 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 beep. Going the beep, 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 beep. BMW M right there, but what M? Look at-
Empower Baba, which is a division, the sport division of BMW. Just like Mercedes have AMG,
Look at
BMW have the M division.
Look at the logo on the wheel.
Yeah, this is the old logo. This is the classic logo. They have it like for heritage and special edition.
I like this smooth.
Look, you can see it here.
M5 CS BMW. Well, I like it. I love it. I love it.
You know, this car actually can be as fast as this Mercedes and even fast as the Porsche.
You know why BMW is in the middle of these two Mercedes?
Why?
Because BMW is faster than Mercedes. Because I don't like Mercedes, I like BMW because BMW is faster than anything. Yeah, if you like watch these videos, BMW can like beat anything. That's why
Yeah, but Mercedes is better.
for me I think BMW is better. Do you know what? You just like whatever car you like. I like whatever car I like because I like it. You know, I like this carbon fiber. How much is it? 700,000. I would rather buy it for 500,000. Gold wheels and the red gold brakes. Yeah, this is the old BMW or something.
Yeah, this is the heritage edition.
Actually, I like all BMWs. All the
Yeah, the logo is very nice.
Yeah, I like it. Baba,
So
look-
this is the CS that comes in this. Wait, let me explain to you. The CS comes in this special color, which is satin green, and have all the gold accents, all the carbon fiber extra, and also the gold wheel. And you can see also some carbon fiber here. Chihuahua.
I want to tell you something that looks like
What?
What does this look like? It's angry.
Yeah, it is angry. It looks aggressive.
All of the cars, like when we look in the front and back, is like all like aggressive faces
Yeah.
and bots. I don't know why I need to. Going to die, huh? I wanna do any more with the Corvette and Lamborghini and this Lamborghini. Any more.
Just talk about the Revuelto, Baba. تعال.
Okay. Going to the Revuelto. The nicest Lamborghini. Actually, when we was just driving around long time ago, we was just driving around, just chilling, just going somewhere, and then we came across this Lamborghini Revuelto. And actually, my dad, when we came across it, my dad said that this Lamborghini was actually released yesterday. I don't know. I think this is a new Lamborghini 2024, so it's like next year. And yeah, like we can see the engine, not like in these Lamborghinis.
Yeah, the engine is completely exposed.
Yeah, like no, yeah. Even look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 2 equals 4. But this is 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 6. You know why 6? Because it's in the outside the booking. You want to see the logo and the price? The price is for free.
There's no price. Because it's a brand new car. And I think, but the spec is really nice. There is no carbon fiber on the outside.
Baba.
They have no carbon fiber, only like inside there's some carbon fiber, but the white on red inside is very nice.
Baba.
No, Baba.
No one would really know this, but I think this is actually for free.
Baba, there is nothing for free.
Then why is there no price? Because it's for free. Baba.
It's gonna be around 2 million, 2.6, something like this.
It's gonna be around 4 or 3 million.
La, the Revuelto is something like 2.6 million.
Is the headlights from here all the way to here, or like marking?
No, this is only the LED, the headlights. You can see it's right there.
Oh. From here to here.
Yeah.
Baba,
Mm.
you know what's so cool? Look at the wheels.
Yeah.
So nice. Baba,
Yes.
I can see like closely over there. If you look closely inside the wheel, you can see Lamborghini logo right there. Guys, see that? Guys, there's literally a Lamborghini right here logo. I don't know if you can see that, but I think you can see that. Oh well, going, because we're done with this, going to the,
I think we covered them. All the cars here been covered. Which one is your favorite?
now actually, not all cars. We haven't done the Porsche, Corvette, Lamborghini, and the Mercedes.
Now, which one is your favorite between all these cars?
The one behind me.
Revuelto?
Yes. Or maybe this one actually. I like the Lamborghini SUV. I like this one more than this one because this one's not nice color.
No, I think for me I will take that blue Ferrari, the
For me, I'll take
F12.
I'll take the SUV.
The SPJ?
Yeah. Because it is cooler than the Ferrari.
So Lamborghini cooler than Ferrari? Awesome. Okay, yalla, end the video.
That's all.
Yes.
Okay, then that's a goodbye, guys. See you in another channel. You know the channel, of course, guys. because we already told you when we was talking about the Ferrari. Next time we'll do the Porsche. So next channel, goodbye guys. Next channel we'll do the Porsche store. Goodbye. See you in another channel. Bye.